Good afternoon. Let's proceed further, and I welcome you all to another video wherein I'm going to introduce the package Numpy and see how we can go ahead and use two packages together, that is Matplotlib as well as Numpy, to create certain graphs or the line charts using Python. Now here you will see that I have introduced Numpy as I have given information in one of the videos that Numpy or Numpy as we pronounce it is used to wherein we go ahead and use certain mathematical functions. Now here the graph that I'm going to plot is basically for the line space, and we will see what it is and how to create it. So here I have in hash written it very clearly after importing the two packages, that is matplotlib.pyplot as plt and import numpy as np. Now here I have taken out here the function which is the numpy line space or linspace you can call it, and it is also called as np.linspace. This I have taken from Jake's book, which is the standard bible for learning certain code or the programming language of Python. Now here we will see that it is a tool in Python and is used for creating numeric sequences, and now that is what we are using np here as. However, it is not just for the numeric sequences. However, for any kind of mathematical functions or the arguments wherein we are introducing it, we have to go ahead and introduce or install numpy. Now here what I'm going to do it is, number one, create a data frame which is called as x, in which the numeric sequence is present. For example, here I have taken np.linspace and in brackets it is -1, 1 and 50. Now that is the sequence that I have taken, and I really would love to see how the graphical representation is taken care of for this particular thing that is present for us. Now here you will see that yes, this thing is given to me, and I need to go ahead and create another data frame because this itself will not be able to create. So what I have done, x, that is my data frame in which I'm going to place np.linspace and with the numbers that are present, and now I'm going to call x. Now let's see if I run the entire code what kind of figure or the chart I'm going to get. Now here first and foremost I have called it in such a manner that I would like to know what is present in the array, and here you can see that from -1 till 1 there are 50 numbers which have been classified, and these are the ones, and after decimal you can see that I have got 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 places, and both covers the negative as well as the positive part of it. After that I'm going to take in and run the code as saying that print x for me. Now if this is so what would be getting it rather than an array? Why I'm showcasing? So that we can come to know that if I just call in x, what am I going to get? There it has showed that I'm going to give you an array. Now if I'm asking them to showcase what is print x, you will see that it is going to print rather than give me the information that yes, I'm showcasing to you what is called as an array. So here I go and I take the entire thing. Now I'm taking you to another page, opening up in Collab itself, and here I why I'm doing it, because I want to show you the difference when I have run and I have retrieved to know what exactly x contains, the data frame x contains. I have here, you can see that it clearly mentions array in front of the square bracket. That means I have got the array of all the numbers. However, if I go and ask them to print x, now array is not present. Now that is the difference, and that is the importance of x and print x. These are the two differences that we will have to showcase and remember always. After that I'm saying that okay, I'm creating an equation that is y equals to 2x plus 1. This is what I want to find out. You can take any number that you feel like. So I have taken this as my this thing, that is y equals to 2 into x plus 1, and then I'm asking, it's again a data frame, and when I called in for y, again it has showcased to me that yes, see, this is an array which you are going to get it. Now similarly I will go ahead and ask them to give me what is print y. Now if I do print y, I'll only will be getting all the numbers which are present between, the entire thing. That is, x was this one, -1 and 1. Twice of x will be between those two numbers. So here you can see that yes, entire array has been showcased and it has been given to me. Now I will go ahead and I'm saying that plot x and y and show it to me. So first I'm giving it the information that please go ahead and plot x and y. So this also you will have to see what is the difference between plotting x and y and just plot xy. So here first, when I'm taking care of it, you will see that yes, it is PLT. That means this is the function which I'm asking it to take upon, and then plot xy. So here you will see that yes, this is what I am getting it when I go ahead and plot x and y value. So you can see that it's a straight line for me out here. Now if I say print or plot this one, then what am I going to get it? So this is, and you get this information that yes, this is going to be a 2D function. So this is two-dimensional because there are x and y coordinates, and this is what the matplotlib is taking care. Now when I'll be doing the advanced form of the graphics, now there you will be seeing that yes, we can go till 5D also, and then that I'll be showcasing in a different manner. Now I'm taking up one more coding, and that is plot, and then you show it to me. So here it is not just plot anymore, this is showcasing the entire thing. Now from here you can go ahead, you can create legends, you can go ahead, give the labels, also grids you can form, and all those things we will see how to proceed further and take care of it. So here I go and I end up with my video showcasing to you as to how to create the line graph using the Numpy function. So I hope you like it. Let me come up with yet another video on the plots. Till then, thanks and take care. Bye.